If you're working a 9 to 5 job, I've got a solution for you. You don't have to no longer work for your own boss. You can become your own boss and earn more than a CEO. Brand new effortless side hustle for everyday workers. With a strong English skills and online side hustles to make money by texting or talking for top online brands. No previous experience or technical skills required. All you need is a phone, along with fluent English when talking or sending messages. Click the link below in the description and to watch my free training video that shows you how this works. And you can quit your job in 60 days or less and work online with our cheat sheet and skills you will implement. Take action and you'll make it.